so cold, I'm so cold. You got me out here.
I've been taking on all this.
Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. So let's get into this video because we just know. So I am doing a braided ponytail hairstyle. So I'm just really showing you in the beginning of what I'm moisturizing with. And then we're going to go with our Eco Styler gel to just smooth out all of it so we can have a sleek ponytail, a sleek braided ponytail. So now I went in with a hard brush, which is always important, and then I also went in with a waxing stick too as well, just to sleek it down. So now I went back with a hard brush too again, and then I just try to smooth it out too, just to make sure that everything is smooth. Just a disclaimer too as well, my hair is relaxed, so usually you would go back in and do sections for natural hair. You can definitely do this type of routine for natural hair. I would just say do it in sections because I definitely had 4C hair before. But we're gonna go in and put a ponytail holder on my hair. I don't do rubber band ponytail holders because girl, that was going crazy. But I also went in with a soft brush just to smooth out everything too as well. And like I said, you can definitely do this for a natural hair routine too as well if you want to do a braided ponytail. It works, trust me. Okay, so now I went into two different braiding hair. Make sure to always get your pre-stretched braiding hair because that's way better. Trust me, believe me, and it's cheap too as well because it was $1.99. But I mixed those two together, and now you're gonna see the mistake I made by just using the flimsy ponytail holder or the flimsy rubber band that they have on the braiding hair. Yeah, girl, it was a struggle. It was definitely a struggle, but as you can see, you're gonna part it in two sections, one in the front and one in the back, and then you're going to make sure that ponytail holder or rubber band that you have on that braiding hair is going to wrap around your real hair. And the point of this method is to make sure to cover both the hairs. This is a method different from the feed in method. I like this method better because I just like to get into my hair, but this does still make your braided ponytail natural too as well. So you will see me taking it out definitely, and I will stop talking. And I also did a section out too as well, but yeah, it was failing because you can definitely see the real hair out. So don't make the same mistake I did. I just like to show the mistakes I did so that way you guys can learn from it. So now I actually went in with my big ponytail holder, which is the best one yet, and I tied it around with the hair, and it was a way better decision. And like I said before, you're gonna put it in two sections, the front and the back. Make sure the front is in front of your face if you can, or just on the side too as well, so that way you can make sure you're wrapping around the back section of your pony. So once that's completely done, you're gonna push the front section back, and it should look like this. Like, you really don't see my hair like that. It's covered up, so that's a good thing. So I did it right this time. So now I'm gonna find a section to pull out from the hair to wrap around the base of the braided ponytail, so that way it just covers like anything and it looks natural a bit. Okay, dokies. So now I'm just gonna braid the hair first. You're gonna see me put the section in my mouth, but I'm sorry, y'all. I just had to like make sure that it was separated, and this was the only way to make sure it was separated because I'm definitely not that coordinated. So if I'm not the best coordinator at like hand coordination at things, then you can definitely do this because this is really easy. Trust me, it's really easy. So now I'm gonna do a 3-strand braid. It's basically like cornrows, but not really. But I do show you how to do it. You're gonna take those 3 strands and make it equal as best as you can. I don't know if you're able to see in the back if you have like any camera, but you're just going to like do a regular braid. I think I may just like link a braiding tutorial that someone has done before that I actually learned from, so you can just like learn from them. I could definitely do a detailed braiding tutorial on how to do that and how I learned how to do it on myself, because girl, let me tell you, it was a struggle. And plus a tip, always make a double knot at the end of your braid if you can, so that the hair doesn't go flying crazy. If you're not the type of person to just like put it in hot water, because I really don't do that. So I just like make a little double knot so the ends of the hair is just like good to go. So now you're going to take that section piece of hair and you're going to wrap it around the base of the hair. So I did like an eco styler. You can use like got to be glue or anything. I just had eco on me right now, so that's why I just used that just to wrap around the base of the hair. Oh, and also make sure you have a hairpin for this, so that way like if it try to comes out, you know, you have a hairpin. Alright, it's cute. So now we're going to go in with our edge control. And we're just going to take out the edges that you have on the side. I'm not a dramatic edge type of person, but you know, edges is not needed with the style too as well. You don't have to do it. I just like to do my edges so, because you know, it just adds to the look. It gives it that flavor. and I go in with the best edge control to have. It was really great for my natural hair, and it's really great for my relaxed hair too as well. You can make your little swoops. And your little sideburn swoops. And I like to do like a little cute middle part type of swoop. So now, as you can see, I'm gonna do my last yeah girl, I had a whole gunk of edge control. I was so irritated. But now you're going to get that sideburn on the other side. Then we're gonna really start just smoothing our hair out as we go too as well. So I just like smooth it out for each edge control, and I actually use the Eco Styler just to smooth out my hair. So I hope you guys love this hairstyle. It's so simple and it's so cheap and affordable. I will be doing more affordable hairstyles and wig tutorials or whatever you guys want me to do. I hope y'all had a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.
You can either sit and be with all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying like me, yeah. Or if you call and you talk to a girl, I'll share my world with you. You gon' waste your time, you gon' waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see, 'cause you gon' giving you what you need. Waste your time with me.